What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about DeFi Technologies Inc. New. I don't know what the new is for, but DEFTF is the ticker at the request of Buki. We're doing this for you. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I do assume that this is probably a crypto-related stock, DeFi Technologies, right? It's kind of ironic that you have a centralized corporate identity tied to the name DeFi. Kind of interesting, right? I doubt that. I mean, maybe they create DeFi stuff, but this stock itself is definitely not based in DeFi. I don't know. I don't know anything about the stock. We're just gonna see if we can figure out what the price target is with funny lines and stuff. Anyways, if that sounds good to you, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. $1.66 is where you're at. From a relative high to a relative low. The 886 is where you seem to find resistance, right? That's kind of your final barrier to entry whenever it comes to the extended zones, of which the minimum target would be $11.23 to $49 as your max target. That's a pretty significant zone you want to get into, man. If you want to get into that, you want to start seeing prices above 215 and holding, okay? But at the moment, you're finding resistance here. I wouldn't be surprised if you pulled back, maybe to your 618, 69. You're at $1.66, but you could absolutely pull all the way back down to 66, 67 cents. You really could drop a dollar from here. You could just as likely consolidate between the 886 and the 786, maybe hold prices around $1.38, maybe go as low as a dollar. It's a pretty significant area, but I do think you're going lower. Absolutely, I do think so. This kind of look right here, this like rounded look, it doesn't look like that, right? With this, if you just go from the highs, it kind of looks actually triangular, I suppose. But this, like, I don't know, you can see it here. This tells me it's just beginning. I actually would be surprised if you held the 786. I would think that you go lower, but hold that dollar area, area that you found support back here. You even found support back here. Dollar is a nice psychological area. You might go slightly below it. You might hold just above it, but something like that. You're at $1.66 now, so I think you move down. Ultimately, yes, I believe you're on your way up to way higher prices, right? Again, the minimum target is $11.23. Maximum's at about $50 there. And when it comes time, probably sometime toward the end of this year, if not in the beginning of next year, you're going to see this thing rally. Probably with the rest of the crypto markets given its name. So I would assume, just like your last request, Buki, this thing's probably just a ticking time bomb, and the fuse or the ignition to the fuse is going to be the crypto markets rallying. Until then, you're moving down or sideways, right? And that's that. I got nothing else I want to say. So if you like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I want to get this low to high here. 236 right there. Yeah. Right below a buck. Hey. Yeah, I don't think you see the 382. Just below a buck you go, probably. All right, take care.